A brand new Cybertruck, Cyberbeast with less than 350 miles, had crashed due to a brake malfunction. The owner of the truck was driving like usual, and when coming into a turn, he released the accelerator but the speed wasn't reducing. So he pressed the brake, but brake didn't get engaged, until it was too late and the truck went and hit a signal light pole, and for strange reason the airbags also didn't deploy. According to owner, the regeneration was working, but it was limited. It was different than before, hence the application of brakes also had a delayed feeling. Luckily he was not injured. While it's still unclear what exactly happened, it sounds like a serious incident that warrants an investigation from Tesla. We have already seen the steering failure issue with multiple owners reported, and now we have multiple owners reporting brake failure issue.